In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add any song as your alarm sound. You can simply choose any song to be your alarm sound in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your clock app. On this page, just tap on the alarm icon right here. On the alarm page, click on this plus button on your upper right hand of the screen. You will have to select sound. On this page, tap right here on this option of pick a song. You will head directly to your iTunes library. Select any song you wish to be your alarm sound. The selected song will get saved as your new alarm sound successfully. You can undo all these options at any time you feel like. That's how easy it is to add a song as your alarm sound on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.